Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the passage. This dictation is for the aspirants who are preparing for Punjab and Haryana High Court Triple S and stenotypist exam. Ready? Start. On November 29, 1978, the Gurdaspur Central Cooperative Bank Limited, Gurdaspur hereinafter referred to as the bank had advertised certain posts of clerks and PNs since the process for selection and recruitment had to take some time. The bank appointed some persons on purely ad hoc basis. Full stop. These appointments were for the period of 89 days. Full stop. Since the selection could not be completed, the appointments were periodically extended. Full stop. It is agreed between the parties that the appointments were made during December 1979. Full stop. In August/September 1979, the bank terminated the services of all the persons who had been appointed on ad hoc basis. Full stop. Stanza. Thereafter, it had appointed persons who had been regularly selected. Full stop. Aggrieved by the termination, 17 persons raised an industrial dispute. Full stop. The appropriate authority made separate references to the labor court. Full stop. These references were consolidated and decided by the Labour Court vide its award dated February 7, 1986. Full stop. Aggrieved by the award, the bank filed CWP numbers 1196 of 1986 and 9053 of 1987. Full stop. The workman, on the other hand, filed CWP number 6866 of 1989 to claim the consequential benefits flowing from the award of the labor court. Full stop. The two petitions filed by the bank having been allowed, the bank has filed these three appeals. Full stop. Stanza. Learned counsel for the appellant bank has contended that the respondent workmen had not completed service for 240 days. Full stop. Thus, they were not entitled to the protection of Section 25F. Full stop. Still further, it has been submitted that in the circumstances of the case, it could not be said that the bank was guilty of adopting an unfair labor practice. Full stop. On behalf of the respondent workman, it has been submitted by the learned counsel that the registrar had issued instructions that none of the workmen should be allowed to complete a service of 240 days. Full stop. This was symbolic of the real intention of the appellant bank. Full stop. Stanza. The short question that arises for consideration is, did the bank act unfairly in terminating the services of the respondents' workmen before they had completed 240 days of service? Question mark. It is the admitted position and has not been disputed by the counsel for the respondent workmen that the posts had been advertised by the bank on November 29, 1978. Full stop. It has also not been disputed that after the advertisement, the bank had actually appointed 53 persons in November, 1979. Full stop. Still further, the bank had specifically pleaded before the labor court in para 1 of its preliminary objections. Full stop. Stanza. In view of the admitted position that the posts had been actually advertised and the facts that the respondent workmen had been appointed on the posts of clerks and PNs on purely ad hoc basis for 89 days, it can be safely inferred that the bank had intended to make a temporary arrangement. Full stop. It also cannot be disputed that an employer has the right to make an ad hoc arrangement pending a proper selection. Full stop. In such a situation, comma, if the employer terminates the services of the persons who had been appointed on purely ad hoc basis, it cannot be accused of having acted unfairly, full stop and over. सो ये हमारी विद फ्लक्चुएशन 100 WPM की डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस लाइक दिस। थैंक्स टू ऑल, बी प्रैक्टिस फॉर अ बेटर फ्यूचर।